How to create a Capcom ID. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can create or sign up for Capcom. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you can do is you can head into your browser, and on the browser you can search in for Capcom. Once you do so, you'll get links here. You can see official Capcom, www.capcom.com, and below it you can see welcome to Capcom ID. Simply tap on the welcome to Capcom ID option there, and it'll take you to this another page here. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the login option at the top of your screen here, and you want to select your country or region first. Select your country here. Once you select your country, you want to select your date of birth. Now I'll select my date of birth real quick here, and once you do so, you want to tap on the next option. Simply tap on next once you have entered in your details. Now here you can see the login option, and beside it you can see the sign up option. Simply tap on the sign up option here, and it'll ask you for email. Type in your email here first, and once you do so, what you want to do is you want to enter your password. Just simply create a new password. I'll just type in my password here. You can see that I've typed in my password and email, and once you do so, what you want to do is you want to tap on provisional registration option. Simply tap on the provisional registration option and it'll load up. It might take some time to load up, and once you do so, here you can see it'll show that you have completed the first step of the Capcom ID registration process, and a verification email has been sent to pipinbusnet1. Now it'll ask you to follow the link. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Gmail, and you want to wait until you receive the verification process here. You can see Capcom ID or the account registration has been sent. You want to head into the link here, tap on the link, and it will take you to the verification process. Now here you can see Capcom ID account verification complete. Now you can see the verification is completed, and now you can go to the information entry scene here, and once you do so, you'll be able to add in your nickname. I'll just add in my nickname quickly here, and once you do so, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to select your region and such, and select your region again here, and enter in your date of birth again. I'll just enter a random one here, and once you do so, you'll be able to create your account. Select a gender here and scroll down and simply tap on continue, and your account will be created. It'll ask you for review information. It'll review your information once again, and once you review your information, simply tap on registration next, and once you do so, your registration will be completed. So this way you can create an account on Capcom account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.